Hello and welcome back. This is Yashkol Rafi once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by doing affiliate marketing. How you can earn 65 US dollars for every sign up generated through your affiliate link. So first of all, I would love to start the video by showing you some of the payment proofs that I have received from this affiliate program. After that, I'm going to walk you through how you can join with this affiliate network, and then I'm going to share how I promote the affiliate links to generate the signups to get the commissions. So without further ado, let me open up this email which I have received around 1 hour ago. So I'm going to click on this email. If you just take a look, this email was sent from Bluehost, and here is my affiliate ID. And if you just take a look at this part, congratulations, you have been credited 65 US dollars for your referrals. Let me take you to my affiliate dashboard directly from here. And so far by this month, I have got 130 US dollars earned from 2 signups. And if I take you here on stats, you're going to notice now I have got around 195 US dollars in due, which I'm going to get paid on the next payment period. And if I take you here on payout history, you are going to notice how many payments or how much I have actually got paid. Just take a look. This was the very first payment which I received from one sign up, only 100 US dollars, and the payment was sent to my relative's PayPal account. If I click on this amount, it is going to show us some details here. Just take a look. This was the details. Now if I take you back, you are going to notice I have received payment several times. As you can see here, 65 US dollars on this date, then 130 US dollars on this date, and then I have got another 130 US dollars payment, another 65, and you can see many payments I have received from this affiliate network so far. So you can trust this and join this program and start promoting your affiliate URL to get paid. All right, so this was payment proof. So now let me talk about how you can join with this affiliate network. And joining with this affiliate network is really easy. So let me show you. Simply you have to visit Bluehost's website at the very beginning, and after that you have to go to the bottom of the page. So let me take you to the bottom of the page, and then you are going to find this affiliates option. Simply you have to click on this, which is going to take us to the affiliate page of this program. So just take a look, join the affiliate team, refer your readers to Bluehost with your affiliate link, and earn 65 for each qualified hosting purchase. So whenever someone will sign up with Bluehost hosting plan, you are going to get 65 US dollars, and sometime on some occasions they increase the incentive. As you can see, with one sign up I earned 100 US dollars once. So now after visiting this page, simply you have to click on this sign up button, and the sign up process on Bluehost affiliate program is really easy. So on this field you have to provide a nickname. As my nickname is Ajad Rafi, like this. So you have to provide a unique nickname for your affiliate link, so it is going to be appearing on your affiliate link, so make sure it is kind of nice. Okay, after that you have to provide your password here, and then you have to confirm the password by providing here. Then you have to provide your first name. Let's say my name is Ajharul Rafi, so I have to provide Ajharul here. On the last name field I have to provide Rafi, and then here is the field where you have to provide your phone number. Then here you have to provide a company name. If you have got a company, you have to provide that here, or if you don't have a company, please don't worry. Simply you have to put your name. In this case, I'd put like Ajharul Rafi. That's it. After that, you have to provide your address information. In this field, you have to provide the street address, and then you have to provide city, state, postcode, and the country information from here. Okay, and then you have to provide your email address, which is active, so that whenever they will send a confirmation email, you will receive the email to confirm. Okay, and then here is the field where you have to provide your blog URL or blog address, or your website address, or let's say your YouTube channel address. So if you don't have a blog site, please don't worry. I'm going to attach a video link into the description of this video. By watching that video, you will be able to create a website like this, exactly like this, where I am promoting affiliate link. As you can see, here is the affiliate image for my Bluehost affiliate program. So if I click here, you are going to notice whenever someone will click on this image, if they click here, they will be visiting Bluehost. And if you just notice at this image, sorry, link, just take a look from here, affiliate link, and here is Ajay Rafi, my affiliate code. Okay, now if someone purchase a hosting plan from this website by visiting this link, I'm going to get commission of $65. So if you want to create a website exactly like this one, where I have got like Google AdSense ads as well, as you can see. So if you want to create a website like this, I'm going to attach a video link into the description of this video, so that if you watch that video step by step from the starting to finish, and if you follow along, you will be able to set up a beautiful mobile responsive website or blog for your affiliate marketing journey or for your Google AdSense monetization. All right, now after putting your website URL, simply you have to provide your PayPal email address, so that they will be able to send you the payments when you reach to the threshold or when you earn some money from their program. And after providing all the information, simply you have to click on this I agree to the affiliate terms and conditions and privacy policy. I would suggest you to read these information, so that you'll be able to learn more what you can do and what you can't do to promote their affiliate program. Okay, and after providing all the information, simply you have to click on this sign up button. That's it. Now you'll be able to access your affiliate account dashboard. As I am being able to access my affiliate dashboard, you'd see like zeros here as your account is new. Now how to promote the affiliate URLs, or how I promote the affiliate URLs. The first way that I follow is here. I share the affiliate URLs on my website as widgets on the sideburns and sometime on the top. And then I also add that affiliate URL on some of the blog posts. So that's one way. Now the other way, or the best way from which I got most of my affiliate signups, are from my YouTube videos. If you just notice here, from these sales, if you just notice these two signups, I have got both of these signups from my YouTube videos. Now where I put the link of my affiliate URL, simply if you visit here on, let's say, YouTube and Bluehost Ajay Rafi, okay, just take a look. I have shared a video like how to connect Namecheap domain name with Bluehost hosting plan. So if I click here, simply you have to create this kind of videos, okay, or videos where you are showing how to create a website by using a specific hosting plan. So after creating the video, after uploading the video, you have to add your affiliate link. As you can see here, my referral link to Bluehost with free domain. Then I have got my affiliate link added here. Now I have got several videos like this where I have added my affiliate URL. Whenever someone watch that video, if they are interested to support me, then they clicks on these affiliate URLs, and whenever they sign up through that affiliate URL, I get commissions. So now if I take you here, and I'm going to change the date a little bit. Although I am not so active on promoting any affiliate products, but still I am being able to generate some good commission. Is if I click here, you can see how much I have made so far from this affiliate program, and it is going to increase day by day as I will put some more contents by adding this affiliate link. Okay, so my network connection, okay, it's okay, it just appeared. As you can see here, so far I have made like 1010 US dollars. What I did, simply I created video lessons on YouTube, and then I have added my affiliate links on the descriptions, and then I created a blog. I have insert my affiliate links inside these images, which you can access actually from links. And after that, you can see these assets. As you can see here with large first, you can select whatever image that you want to use, and then copy these links and paste them on any widget of your website. They will be added here. And then I have added my affiliate links, like, let me see if anything added here. on this blog post. Okay, like this. Okay, so as you can see here, I have inserted a link to one of my videos. So I would simply select a text, and then I would insert my affiliate URL under the text, and whenever someone will click on that affiliate URL, they will be landed to that targeted URL, like my affiliate link of Bluehost, and whenever they will purchase anything, I'll get some commission. Okay, so these are the two ways that I promote my affiliate URLs, mostly to get sales, signups, and to get the commissions. And now if you ask me like how you can grow, like how you can get traffics to your YouTube videos or traffics to your blog site, if you are a beginner, simply you can use social media sites at the very beginning. You can share your blog post on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram to generate the initial, let's say, views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. So this is how actually you have to start, and after you start your blogging journey or YouTubing journey, you will actually be able to learn the process, how to grow and how to get more views, more subscribers, more, let's say, readers on your blogs. And the more readers you will get, the more views you will get, there will be more chances to get signups, get sales on your affiliate links, and you will get commissions for sure. So this was it, guys. I believe I was able to help you out with this video by sharing some information about affiliate marketing, and I believe you will be able to follow the steps to start making money as an affiliate marketer. So if you have got any further question, please feel free to ask me by commenting below, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos in near future, and please share this video to help your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.